Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how to customize the launch button, the chat icon that we get if you see over here in the screen. Right, this is the what we get from the chat widget from AWS Connect and how we can use the custom payload that they are giving to make it like this over here. Before moving on, do request for all the viewers to subscribe to the channel. 92% are not viewing or sorry, not subscribing to the channel. Here's one subscription, one like does help the content creator and also helps in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so what we will do is we will understand what exactly they have added. So what we are seeing over here in the custom widget launch, this is a new custom widget launch. This is a new uh, attributes they have added to the widget, right? What we are going to understand is right now when you uh, open anything, let's say I remove this part which I added, right? And if I remove this part also, just to be go back to where we were. So this is what you get by default from the Amazon Connect as a widget, right? Once you click over here, it launches the chatbot, and this is what you see over here, right? Now, what they are saying is, let me close this one so that the previous session does not stay. What they're saying is now you can customize it along with the button, right? So what we will do is copy this one and paste it over here and then copy this new custom launch behavior, right? So if I open the scriptlet, right? So this part anyway you get from Amazon Connect widget, right? Now what we will do is we will add this additional custom launch behavior, just copy and paste over here. And what it's saying is skip auto launch, always hide the button and all those thing, and trigger the opening with respect to click of the this launch widget button, right? So now if I refresh my page, you will see that chat icon has gone now and we are seeing over here chat with us. If I click over here, it gives me this behavior. Now what I have done is this does not look good, right? So I've created one more HTML page already been created. Sorry, let me go back to my folder code HTML, and this HTML is already been added to the GitHub. Link is in the description section. So what I have done is just added some HTML parameters. Why it opens with this one? HTML, CSS, and all these things, so that now we can have the icon, we can have the image, and all this thing. And at the end, the chat with us is the option, right? So what I will do is instead of this one, I will open this one. Now what you see over here is now we are getting, instead of that button which was over here, now it has moved to the right hand top, right hand side bottom, and also it has more uh, visibility or CX side or UI enhancement, right? And the behavior remains the same. Once you click over there, uh, maybe I have wrong copied the wrong script rate or something like that. Yeah, I think I have copied the wrong. Not a worry. I will just copy from here to here and from here to here. Where to where? No. From here to here, I have to copy. Just a second. Give me 2 minutes. Function, and this is the function which we added, right? Function 2. Okay, and we remove this callback from here. Okay, let's see how is the behavior now. If I click this one, now it's pointing to the other bot. Okay, so now it's working fine. And this is how we can customize, and this new HTML code is present into the GitHub link, GitHub, sorry, and the link of that GitHub is in the description section to check out from there. Thank you. Have a nice day.